When you're learning something new, something we all have to do constantly these days, especially if you're in knowledge work, when you're trying something, don't fall into the trap of what is kind of called the tutorial hell. What that means is you keep watching videos and courses trying to learn one big thing. No, don't do that. Practice what is kind of called just-in-time learning. And that's how to do this. 1, pick a problem you want to solve, a problem that matters to you. 2, break down that problem into as discrete a piece as possible. Think about it like a to-do list, kind of. Then, the last thing, number 3, learn enough for each step that you want to pursue. Don't say, for example, I want to learn how to draw. Something random. Don't say I want to learn how to draw, then go and find courses that teaches you how to draw. That is too vague, and that will just get you stuck in watching endless videos on how to be the best artist ever. No. Pick that I want to draw a cat. And what do? You say, okay, the first thing I will obviously do is gather all my tools, then learn how to draw shapes. Because probably that's how you need to learn to draw a cat. Watch video, read a book, watch someone that teaches you how to draw an oval, because then an oval, maybe to draw a square, to draw the ears, and just learning enough to eventually draw a cat. Remember, at this point, we know what our end game is going to be, a cat. When all is said and done, I'm not just learning just for learning. I'm learning just in time for what allows me to achieve my goal. And this is how you can learn very complex skills very quickly. Now you know what to do. Practice this and make it happen.